And now let's welcome our third presentation. This is from our partner university, Unisma. The title is Best Practice of Applying the Board Game Learning for Primary School. The presenter is Dr. Sulis. Let's give it a big hand to Dr. Sulis. Now you have the floor.
Please allow me to keep wearing mask plus I am in the hotel lobby.
Dr.
Firstly,
Sulis,
let me introduce
please,
myself again.
yeah, please speak louder because you wear the facial mask, so you have to speak louder. Otherwise, we cannot hear you clearly. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Ted, I'm sorry.
Okay, it's better. Thank you so much.
What about my voice? Can you hear me?
Yes, no problem.
Okay, so firstly, I want to introduce myself again, Mr. Ted. My name is Muhammad Solustiono, but some people call me Mr. Sulis. And today I'm going to explain about my experience under the title Best Practice of Applying the Board Game Learning for Primary School, a study of the game of snake and ladders in learning. Okay, this is the content. There are introduction, fun learning through games, and the history of snake and ladders in Indonesia, snake and ladders game in learning, uh, the step for playing snake and ladders, the advantages of learning snake and ladders game, disadvantages of learning snake and ladders game, and the last conclusion. So, okay, so can you see my PPT, Pak Yoyo?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, learning in digital and global era is complex challenge. The existence of a learning model aim to make it easier for students to understand to learning material. Learning is one the activities transfer teacher knowledge that is achieved by learning media to student in learning environment. According to Chris, define learning as oh, I'm sorry. Define learning as a series of events that are intentionally designed to influence students or learners so that the learning process can place take place easily. And the next slide, I want to explain about fun learning through games. Learning is a series of events that are intentionally designed to provide knowledge carried out by teacher to student. Learning and play have several points in common with the definition of play. Learning through play is a form of learning to seek and find answer on their own through produce and uh, step and game rules during learning. The game program usually contains uh, introduction, the subject identity, the title of the material, and to be discussed. Instruction for learning step in the form of a game. And the second, a description of the material package in the form of game such as quiz, demonstration, and role playing. And the next facilities in the form of specific icon to carry out the process of repeating the game. The present of stand character for student who carry out learning, and after completing learning through fun, certain reward are given. And the last evaluation is presented in integrated manner or separately in game. Okay, so in the next slide, I want to uh, talking about the history of snake and ladder in Indonesia. According the research, according some research in the article, the board game today is called Snake and Ladder. It was created in the second century BC or BCE under Paramada Sopanam, ladder to salvation. In this regard, the game of snake ladder was initially played in India and was invented by spiritual teacher of Hinduism known as Moksha Patamu. Moksha Patamu is associated with the traditional philosophy of Hinduism, namely karma and kama, which is defined as the destiny and desire of human life in the world. Actually, ladder and snake and ladder already comes from India. Okay, so the next slide, uh, I want to explain about snake and ladder game in learning. Snake and ladder game belong to engage learning media. Snake and ladder is a game that use that to determine several steps that a pawn or player must take. If the player stops at the snake's tail, it must go it must go down in the box in the snake house. If the player stops at the bottom of the ladder, the player can just ride up to the box where the ladder ends. The first player to arrive at the finish box is the winner. Uh, this is the step for playing snake and ladder in learning as follow. Firstly, deploy the snake and ladder board. And the second, all children are in the start box or number one. And the third, through the dice. And the fourth, move according to the number of dots on the side on the dice. The fifth, read and uh, read the writing on the box that you stepped on when you last step. The sixth, guess whether it was a good hit or an evil hit. I mean bad hit. Seven, if there is a snake, then you have to go down according to the direction where the snake. Eight, if there is a ladder, you have to go up to where the letters show the following number. The nine, through the dice alternately with friends. This is step for playing snake and ladder in Indonesia. I mean in uh, primary school. The advantages of running through snake and ladder game. Uh, Firstly, game are fun to do and entertain. Second, the game allows the active participant of student to learn. And, and third, games can provide immediate feedback. Fourth, game allow the application of concept rule to actual situation and rule in society. And fifth, the game is flexible. Six, games can be easily created and reproduced. And the disadvantages of learning through snakes and ladder game, there are the 2 points in simulating social situation. Game tend to oversimplify the social context so that it is not impossible for students to get their own impression. And the second, most games only involve a few students, even though even thought the involvement of all students or learning resident insignificant so that learning process can be more effective and efficient. And this is a very important point to me because every game uh, there are value in the every game. The value taught in the game of snake and ladder are followers. Honesty become the basis of this game to driven growth. The second is discipline, where participant is this game must follow the game rules correctly. And the third is the value of awareness. Each participant must be aware that the actual opponent is afraid. Therefore, there should be no cheating, no cheating in the game. Okay, so the last slide. Uh, the conclusion. Firstly, the game of snake and ladder is an exciting learning material for students. It is very important. And second, the game of snake and ladder train students cognitive, affective, and psychomotoric domains. And the third, the game of snake and ladder is a several values such as honesty, discipline, and justice. Fourth, the game of snake and ladder is specially designed to train concentration, motor skill, and good manner. They can be an educational game for children who have difficulty reading, writing, or dyslexia. I think that's all, from Mr. Tech, from me. Thank you for the opportunity. I
Thank
hope
you.
someday I want to go there, like Mr. Yoyo and Mr. Zombie, maybe someday. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Sulis. Thank you for your great presentation.